Those who aim high often have a long way to climb. So it helps to have the right equipment with you. And to know you can rely on it in all situations. From the very beginning, here at Bosch, we've considered how we can produce the right products to complement your ideas. Our products have therefore always had outstanding long life, strength and portability. In our blue product range for professionals, the green range for DIY enthusiasts, and of course, the accessories which go with them. A considerable part of this success story has been played out in Switzerland, where in 1944, Albert Kaufmann registered the patent for the world's first jigsaw. The first series production of jigsaws started in 1947, while the development and production of jigsaw blades was carried out simultaneously in St. Niklaus. In 1989, the first jigsaw with a tool-free saw blade clamp system was developed. Since then, our factories in Switzerland have been an integral part of Bosch, responsible for the development and production of power tools, jigsaw blades, saber saw blades, and the entire accessories range. We are also in charge of all the marketing activities for accessories worldwide. The achievements we humans accomplish are often only made possible because we can rely on our technology. Beat Gerber knows how important it is to have reliable technology, both in your private life and where our product highlights are born. In the development labs of Bosch Power Tools in Switzerland. Our development engineers in Solothurn and St. Niklaus are constantly seeking product innovations that'll make working with our tools even simpler and safer for our customers. Development begins in virtual worlds, and eventually the first prototypes take shape. Our developers work closely together throughout the process. For all our new developments, alongside the production processes which have to be implemented later, a product's design and features are foremost in our mind. We therefore achieve excellence in technology on a daily basis from our development teams in Solothurn and St. Niklaus, for our customers around the world. It's often said that precision lies at the heart of our Swiss company. We have a fascination with precision. Because it's the key to our famous quality. Our employees are responsible for this quality. So our production is in good hands. Detail by detail, each piece comes together to make a whole. That's the meaning of Bosch quality from Switzerland. Our workshop system gives complete responsibility for the assembly of one type of tool to one group of people. An integrated process in St. Niklaus also works efficiently to provide our customers with the ultimate accessories. This means our quality has many faces and one name. The highest awareness of quality is, of course, also the guiding force behind our automated production plants. Before a product is ready to go into mass production, it must have proven to us that it can meet the demands of tomorrow. This is the only way to ensure that a consistently high-quality product makes it into the hands of our customers. And this quality remains the benchmark of our work. To get an overview of a situation, you have to look at things from above. This is exactly what Adrian Lieszty does. And not only at work. He wants to look into the distance, to have vision. After all, this is exactly what our central marketing for accessories is all about. We have the responsibility and the market expertise for the accessories division worldwide. Our know-how is interlinked across the world. To enhance and maintain the sales and product expertise of our employees, we hold regular sales and product training courses in Switzerland. In this way, we can distribute our knowledge around the globe. A worldwide unique feature are our shop-in-shops, which are product islands for professional tools and professional accessories. A complete range that is easily accessible. Here, our customers are given the professional service they can expect from our brand. We have an eye for the future requirements of the market. Bosch in Switzerland stands for high-quality power tools and comprehensive expertise in accessories for all markets worldwide. Marketing with vision, precise manufacture and innovative development. That's the meaning of Bosch quality from Switzerland.